Okay, are you excited?
Yeah, I said it. I just. What's up? I read it.
We might actually finish your dress today, so that's exciting. So, let's get started.
Let's
Can
start
you say it again?
it. Let's get started.
Hey, your turn, Rayah. Say, let's get started.
Let's get started.
We're going to turn this inside. So you turn this way. Turn it around. Like this, then. And what color is this?
It's red.
It's red? I think
Yeah.
it's more like pink, Rayah.
Oh, it's more like pink.
Yeah, do you like pink?
Yeah, I like pink.
Okay. Is that your favorite color?
Yeah, I like the player covers.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
What?
two. That's two. Where's one? Look, one is up to the top. One.
What is it?
So we're going to do our front facing first. That's so. And this is
I saw.
also the
We're
front
coming
here.
in for Hayes.
So what we're going to do is okay, so we completed number 1. We did number 2. We sewed our back sides together. And so now we're working on number 3, which is to put our underarm seams together and to stitch. And they want you to press it flat. So I'll show you how to do that also. So from the bottom, I'm sorry. So from the bottom of him down here, and we're going to go ahead and sew upward. That way. Took it to the and I press like little triangles. Just fold just around. You should be able to hit some nice pretty points right here. And the other side. Make sure. And we're going to go take this back to the sewing machine and we're going to press all of this down. What's wrong, baby? Press all of this down, make it nice and crisp. All the way around. And I'll be back. Okay, so I press this out. Take it nice and neat. That's the back. It's starting to look more like a dress, right? And this is the front. And I'm going to fold these over like so. And I have some gold buttons that I want to put on here. Okay, so now I'm going to top stitch. which means I'm going to turn it this way. I'm going to lay it on the sewing machine, and I'm going to stitch as close as this line as I can get to. So I told you I had the needle point all the way to the left side. This time I'm going to put it all the way to the right side. So I'm doing it now. Okay, and then I'm going to put this on the sewing machine, and I'm going to stitch. And this is just to lay it down, make it look nice and crisp. I'm going to do it all the way around the whole top. I'll be right back to show y'all. Okay, so I press this out so you can really see it take shape now. Here's the dress. And then we're gonna do the buttons. But I'm also going to just gonna show you the inside. And you can sew these down, make sure they don't come up, these flaps right here on the inside, by just sewing these down right on the seam, right here. So as close on the seam as you can get. If you can get right on the seam, just sew this down on both sides so it won't come up. Press this out, fold it once. Okay, if you kill mommy on the screen. Okay. Okay, you have to choke me out. I think that's my karate already. I keep telling her I pass out for stuff like that. Alright, so now we're going to, now that it's been serged,